Hey, guess what? I got some big news. I guess my addiction to beach, sunshine, and water is going to continue. I just signed a lease for a year here in San Diego. I will be bringing you a lot more fun and excitement in the ways of life. I'm going to you the beach, sunshine, and sexy, delicious people. June, I will be here full time. Well, you know me, I'll still be traveling. But I was able to find a great place that is going to allow me to make more wonderful content and information and stories for you. And I'm really excited because I have some new ideas I'll be working on for luxurious opportunities. One of the best parts of all of this, more stories, more stories, more stories. Lots of sunshine, lots of good things happening. And let me just tell you, showing up for the life you want, you dream about, you desire can come true when you are pleasantly persistent. I had a situation where I was really having a hard time finding a place to rent. There's just a very limited amount of options. I wasn't willing to compromise and get something I wasn't thrilled with. And then I had a conversation with a gal that asked about the power of the angel message. And she was the one who was so excited to have me rent the property she represents that she made it happen. See, there are times in life you just need to be determined to communicate at a higher level. You need to choose what you want, stick with it, not compromise, but sometimes adjust. And I think this is such a great reminder, and I'm so excited because of her to have an amazing place to enjoy. The really fun thing is it's the first time I've had a place I'm going to be starting with zero. Literally, I don't have anything. I sold almost everything. I have a handful of things I'll bring down from Oregon. But what I'm going to actually do is open it up to my incredible audience to give me some ideas, some suggestions, some things that they might want to see in the background of my videos, things that they really enjoy. We're going to be having conversations on how do you rebuild your life when you decide to go stateside after being a digital nomad and remote worker for so many years. I'm really excited for this new experience, this new land of possibilities, because the exciting thing is I have a fresh slate. It's like a whole new world of possibilities. I gave away so many things. With each of my moves, I just have stuff that fits in a very small storage unit. Some very sentimental things, but mostly it's all going to be starting fresh energy, fresh stories, and a whole lot of new possibilities. So I'm excited to celebrate come June. I will be here on a more full-time basis. And you know what? San Diego is just like Playa del Carmen, but on steroids. Playa del Carmen will always be my favorite place, sanctuary, and all the goodness from it. But it feels good to want to be stateside, more time with family and friends, and more people to meet. I have been meeting so many great people here that I realize this is where my next chapter is. And thank goodness for the angels, because they are the ones that made it happen. Nobody else would rent to me. It was just the craziest thing. And I've never had a challenge in finding people to rent from. But this time was a lot more work than I expected. Or the people that wanted me to rent for them were weird. I didn't want to rent from them. When it comes down to it, I stuck with what I wanted. I kept consistent. And I got something pretty impressive. More details to follow soon. Open to the possibilities. Where would you like to go live for a year? Where would you like to live and build a community? I'm excited because I know wherever I live, I build community fast. I make connections fast. And I've been having to hold back for a long time. Now, the possibilities are endless. Like, comment, and subscribe because we need to keep this conversation going. Talk to you soon.